Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 10. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Honorable members are aware last year I had introduced the dual policy in regard to kerosene after discussing with all the civil supplies commissioners of the states. And when I was assured that they would be able to implement the dual policy, I thought that the policy is such which could be taken care of, in which case the poorer sections of the society could be protected. But unfortunately, I found that the poorer sections were the first victims, as a result of which, within 1 month of the introduction of the dual policy, that scheme had to be withdrawn. In fact, I myself stood in Bangalore in the queue and I found that the poorer people were not being given. And the dealer said that the quota that was earmarked in the levy system has already been exhausted, and it was very difficult to find out which quota was what. Because of the distribution system not being strong, this step had to be taken. Many a honorable member has been making a complaint from time to time that there had been adulteration of kerosene with HSD because of the fact that there is a disparity in prices. It is true, I concede that I am aware that about 19 to 20% of kerosene goes in the adulteration with HSD. I have been requesting the state government to take care of it, notwithstanding the fact that every quarter we go on increasing the allocation of kerosene to the states. Much of the kerosene is going towards adulteration. And I have been trying to impress upon the states that we have to import kerosene and that quite a large amount of foreign exchange is spent. While in the case of petrol, we are absolutely self-sufficient, in the case of kerosene, we have got to import, and this I have been trying to impress that we cannot employ the price mechanism that often advocated, so that the adulteration of kerosene with HSD does not take place, because that would create more problems. The moment we increase the price of kerosene, it affects the ordinary man. Maybe some people had been trying to tell me that this is no argument at all. In fact, I found in the other house that some of the opposition members had been trying to put across to me this view. It is a question of policy which we are committed to. Whether one likes it or not, a policy decision has certain perspectives, and these perspectives we have sought to put forth for our all round progress. Stop.